Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch 9 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the water lag mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the side button to open the control center or controls menu. Now scroll through this menu and look for the icon that looks like this, like the water droplet icon. This is the water lag mode icon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon. You will see the water lag mode icon at the top of the screen. And what this mode does, it's basically it disables the touch screen. You can't use it when the mode is enabled. And this mode or feature is quite useful if you, for example, want to take a shower with your watch on or swim with your watch on, because it prevents the mistouches on the touch screen while the watch is submerged in the water, because the water is conductive, so it would basically make your screen go crazy. And once you're done and you want to disable the mode, simply press and hold the crown button and keep holding it until you hear the sound and see the unlocked ejecting water message on the screen. And now the screen is back to normal. You can use it. And that's how you enable and how you disable the water lag mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.